Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, every day is a good day, and every day, Progress the Analyst want to keep you updated by keeping you informed. Remember, I promise to bring the world closer to your doorstep. That is more reason you need to subscribe to this channel and be part of us. Do well to share our videos, and I'll be right back. Before I will let you listen to what the Biafra National League leader, the message that he sent to Ambazonia, I want to also take your mind back that recently there is a message that was sent to JJ Okocha, stopping him from not going to Ambazonia, that is Cameroon, because they are having war there, that there is a war zone, so he should better stay in Nigeria. And I also think that the Biafra Prime Minister also did a tweet about that. So when you are listening to this message, you know where we are coming from and where we are going to. Because I don't really know, and I know that a lot of people will also be confused as I am. Please, if you have any other opinion, if it's the same message that was sent, or he also sent another message, or the Ambazonia also sent another message to JJ Okocha threatening him, please do well to keep me informed in the comment section, because we all will be informed. Okay, so I just wanted to listen to the message that he sent to Ambazonia leader, and I'll be right back.
Good evening, fellow compatriots in the struggle. Good evening, members and supporters of the BNL family. All my fans, wherever you are watching from, I salute you all. I remain my humble self, Prince Will Richard. I have a serious warning to some fools in the southern Cameroons, to some fools in Ambazonia, particularly which of the interim government. We saw a threat coming from the interim government of Ambazonia, warning JJ Okocha, Austin JJ Okocha, and Amokachi, threatening to kill them if they come to, or if they go to move to that country, move to their country or their region. And it doesn't matter who is involved. These two persons mentioned are Igbos, and they are part Biafrans. They are part of us. I understand that they were invited by Eto, their colleague, for entertainment match or whatever. My advice, the interim government, if they are reasonable, I thought they are reasonable. There's a difference between warning and threat. They should have warned, oh, don't come, or if anything happens to you, why threatening to kill them if they come? You don't, when I know they fear people when they threatening to kill our own person, our own people when they come to your side. Are you people stupid? Are you people stupid? If you want to warn them, oh, don't cross our territory, fine. Are you threatening to kill our people when they come to your side? Because they were invited on an entertainment match. It is left for them if they want to go, if they know that there is war going on there. It is left for them if they want to go or not. Let this be a warning. None of our persons should be threatened by whatever reason. The Ambazonia interim government should take note of that. They should take note of that. Their boys have been kidnapping our people within their own territory, snatching their whatever their property along the borderline there, an Indian division area where people are doing businesses. They've kidnapped a lot of our people and we are keeping quiet. They have refused to release some of them. Let them withdraw their threat immediately, with immediate effect. I call on them, I don't know which of the interim government, to withdraw their threat with immediate effect. You can warn anybody or warn people, don't threaten to kill any of our person. Otherwise, we will follow you accordingly. We are going to follow you accordingly. If you are threatening and making unnecessary threat, know that your people are here, much here in our own territory. Know that your people are much in Cross River State. Know that your people are much in Akwa Ibom State. If you are making unnecessary threat, because you people are the people that will regret it at the end of it. You will regret it. Know that your people cannot do without crossing our borders. Withdraw your threat. Withdraw your threat. Otherwise, the action we are going to take, you are going to regret it. You have no right whatsoever to threaten any of our, to kill any of our person. No Ambazonia leader should threaten to kill any of our person. Withdraw your threat immediately, or you will regret it. Thank you very much.
In fact, I also glanced through the comments of this video, and I see that a lot of people were commenting also that the Ambazonia don't have the right to send such message to JJ Okocha, that JJ Okocha is a Biafra, is an Igbo man, just like what the Biafra National League leader just said. Why some persons said no, JJ Okocha have not in one way add to the agitation. JJ Okocha have not supported anything that they are doing. JJ Okocha don't support the Igbos. So anything that he see there, he should also accept it. And I know that the Biafra Prime Minister also sent a message to him. So to you now that is listening to the Biafra National League leader, what is your take? Do you think that he is sending the right signal? Do you think that the way he cautioned the Ambazonia that they should not send a threat message to JJ Okocha? JJ Okocha is a Biafra and is his brother, he's an Igbo man, and they love him despite anything. Do you think that he is in the right position? Because you might agree with him and you might also disagree with him. You are entitled to your own opinion. So please do well to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let us know what you feel about this information that is being passed out. What do you feel? Do you think that he's in the right track? Do you think that he's doing it well? Or do you think that the message that was passed to the Ambazonia is right? Or because he referred to it as a threat? So what is your take? Please do well to share this video, like this video, and keep staying tuned, because in this channel you get all the updates. In this channel you are informed about all the latest happening. In this channel also I bring the world closer to your doorstep. Please subscribe if you haven't. Enjoy this beautiful family. Thank you so much, and bye bye.